Hey guys, figured I'd give you an update here on the Camaro. I was able to get it cranking over. I'm working on getting the last couple wires started up here. I'll just give you a quick view on what we got. Got the Motion Raceworks breather kit installed. Wiring looks a little atrocious to me, but you know, once the car is started, I can tidy that all up. Make sure it's running before we worry about how pretty it looks. Not a whole lot going on just yet, but you know, little by little, those are the only wires we have left to hook up. We're going to run the Wizard with the Holley Terminator Max X. Get that set up quick. Just get it idling. And then call up the tuner and tell them we're ready to go once we don't have any leaks. So at this point, guys, I'm hoping to start the car up before the new year. Probably not going to do a burnout before the new year, but then again, dumber things have happened. Let's shred some tires.